Morning. Morning, cutie. You just woke up? How was your sleep last night? Good? Good. That's good to hear. Give me like 10 more minutes, babe. I want to cuddle with you for 10 more minutes. Come here. Come here. No. Stay with me for another 10 minutes. Come here. You're not going anywhere just yet. This is nice. Actually, screw 10 minutes. Can we cuddle for 1 more hour? Please? Just 1 more hour. No? Alright, fine. 10 minutes. 10 more minutes then. Alright. You know, I can't help but notice that you fell asleep first last night, which means I got to look at your beautiful face when you were deep asleep. Don't get all blessy on me now. I always look at your beautiful face whenever you're asleep. And it never gets old. Every time I do, you look even more beautiful. You look even more beautiful every time I take a look at you. Even right now, you look more beautiful than ever. No, I'm not falling asleep. I'm not falling back asleep. I'm just closing my eyes and yeah, I'm just closing my eyes. I'm totally not falling back asleep. Yeah, fine, I won't fall back asleep. Okay. Can I just cuddle you all day? Please? I know we got stuff to do today, but I just wanna hold you real close all day today. Holding you real close to me is one of my favorite things to do. Yeah. Because you're real warm and comfy. Every time I hold you, I feel like we're in a completely different world, you know? And I hope you feel the same. You do? I'm glad to hear that. I'm really glad to hear that. I love you. I love you very much. Here, come here. Here, lay on top of me. You can lay on top of me. There you go. I'll give you head rubs, head pets. You like that? Does that feel good? I know you've always loved head rubs and head pets. Don't worry, we still have like 5 more minutes left. We still have 5 more minutes left to ourselves. You said what? Your nightmares went away last night? Good. That's good to hear. I told you I would do my magic last night. That made your nightmares go away. That was all because of my special magic. You were deep asleep like a baby. You're a deep sleeper, aren't you? Yeah. You're a deep sleeper. No, I was rubbing my hands in your hair. I was running my hands through your hair. Patting your head, rubbing your head, and you were still asleep. You were deep asleep. Yeah. You got any special plans today? Oh, that sounds cool. Do I have any special plans? Well, yeah, of course I do. My special plan is to cuddle you real close for 1 more minute. This is really nice. I really wish we could do this all day, every day. Alright, but we should probably get up now. It's been over 10 minutes. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. I know you want to keep laying down, but come on. We have to get up. We gotta start our day. I love you. Alright, come on, let's go. Get up.